Charlie.
Lenny.
Reggae. Today we're gonna talk about
Tim Hortons has free sugar. But seriously, we're going to be serious here, man. We're going to talk about bitches who steal bikes. That's what we're talking about today. Because unfortunately, Frankie and I had a bike stolen today. And it hurts deeply, you know, like when a family member dies. Whoa, what member? That means you have to like join in. Oh, that's weird. Okay, getting on to the point. When a family member dies, your heart like breaks in half and goes like boom. But then when you have a bike stolen from you, your heart goes like shrivel up like a little baby, and then it goes kapooey, and then you have no heart. And see, you make kids like Frankie want to cry. You motherfucking bike stealing cunts. I hate you. Well. It was my favorite fucking bike. Now
you're not even a month old.
It's time to write a song.
Here you go. Here you go, Lenny.
Thank you, there, Charlie. Okay. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, my young bike. Rest in peace. No, that's not seriously the song I was gonna put. What the hell are you doing? Hey. Okay. My bike got stolen. I miss my bike. I hate the cunt who stole it. I hate my bike. I miss my bike. I'll kill the bitch who stole it. I hate my bike, but now it's gone, and I'll kill the bitch who stole it if I find him now. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, my young bike. Let him rest in peace. Rest in peace. I will kill your murderer.
Oh my God. It touches me.
I know, that is beautiful.
Touches me in places.
Cue the track. My bike got stolen. That's the end.